everyone, welcome back to our Excel courses. This is day 4. Today we are going to learn Excel function. Excel function are ready to make formula that help you calculate quickly and easily. If you understand today's lesson, you can save a lot of time in Excel. So please watch this video till the end. What is function? First question, what is function? A function is a built-in formula that performs calculation for you. For example, sum function. Now let's start with the most popular function, sum. The sum function adds numbers. Fast, simple and powerful formula. Let's do a real example. We have student marks in math, science and English. To calculate total marks, write equal sum B2 to D2. Press enter and the total is ready. So average function. Now let's learn average. Average function calculates the mean value. For example, equal average B2 to D2. This will give the average marks of the students. Very useful for schools, offices and reports. Count function. Next function is count. Count tell you how many cells contains numbers. For example, equal count B2 to B10. Remember, count ignores text. It count only numbers. Now let's talk about practical about the count. Sales example. Now let's try a sales example. We have quantity and price. Okay. To calculate sale for each item, write equal B2 multiply C2. Now to get grand total sale, write equal sum D2 to D5. Done. Common mistakes. So here are the common mistakes beginner do. So let's talk about this one also. Forgetting the equal sign, selecting the wrong range, using count for text. Always double check before you press the enter. Pro tip, Excel is not difficult. Lack of practice makes it difficult. Practice every day and you will become confident. So for the homework, your homework is create a mark sheet for 5 students. Use sum to calculate total, use average to calculate result. Also create a weekly expenses list and use sum and count. That's all for the day 4. If this video help you, please like, share and subscribe. In the next lesson, we will learn minimum, maximum and if function. Thank you for the watching. See you in the day 5.